Now, after creating the details of our report, I will show you now how to group it. Like for example, here in our sample report, uh, I'll be making a group. Like for example, the king, all the cost company name beginning with letter K are grouped, and there's an index also, letter K. This is very useful once you have a very long list of customers, and it's very easy, also very easy for you to find them by using this index. So let us go to our Microsoft Access, cost of field trading version 2, and I will continue our report. Now I will create the group. How to create the group? You can go to the design view. Okay, design view, and then in the design view, search for or go to the arrange. Let us find it. Design, grouping and subtotals. Now in the design, there's a grouping and subtotals. You should click this group and sort, and once this group and sort are selected, you will go to the bottom of your design view, and you will find another pane. It's called group, sort and total, and you will find these two text boxes: add a group or add a sort. This time we need to add a group, so I will click add a group, and then what are the groupings? I will group it according to the company name, so I will choose customer company name. So click the customer company name. So that's it. And if you will go back to our report, we have report header, page header, and now there's a new group. It's called customer company name header. Okay, so once you got the customer company name header, you will place a blank text box here, and we will bind it to our customer company name. I will do it. My goal now is to create this. Okay, create this. So let's go back to the Microsoft Access, and I will show you. After I got this customer company name header, by adding a group, this blank one, I will place a text box. So by placing, how I'm going to place a text box: go to the design, look for the controls, and there is a text box. Click it, and then go again to our working area. In the customer company name header, place it there, the text box. Okay, we don't need the label, we need only the text box, this unbound one. So click this label, and then press or right click, and then look for delete. So it's deleted. Now we need this. Now we will place this here. Currently it's unbound, it's not bind to any field, so I will bind it to customer company name. I will bind it into customer company name. So let me select this if it's not selected, and then go to the design, tools group, and property sheet. If it's property sheet is not there, click the property sheet and you will get the property sheet pane. And then once the property sheet pane, the selection time will be the text. It will be maybe different from your computer. So to make the name of this selected text boxes the same in all our computer, go to the all tab and change the name into txt group. Okay, so this text box now, this new text box, the name will be txt group, so it's changed to txt group. Now we'll be changing this txt group by binding this. Currently it's unbound, I will bind it into customer company name. Okay, So I'll go to, this will be text group, go to the data, and in the control source click this arrow and choose customer company name. So customer company name now. So control source company name. So from unbound it's customer company name. If you will go to the form view, report view I mean, you will see that the Dal Hospital was repeated because this is the group. Dal Hospital, customer company name, customer company name, customer company name, customer company name. So it's repeated, no? But what I will show you now, how to um, make this complete name into first letter only. So I will retain only the first letter, like what we did here in our sample report. Okay, so let me go again to the Microsoft Access. I will create a function. So let's go to the sign view. I'll create a function wherein this complete name will be it will retain only the first letter. So now select this again and go to the property sheet, and in the control source click this one, type equal sign and type the function name left. So meaning I will choose the character from the left, and then type open parentheses and then bracket, and then again at the end of the field, bracket, comma, and then type 1 and then close parentheses. So if I'll make it bigger, this is what I type in the control source, equal sign left. Okay, it means that the function, I will use the function left, and it will look only for the first character from the left. It will retain only the first character from the left. If I'll make this 2, it will retain the first 2 characters from the left, but we need only the first character. So click OK. That's it. So let's see again our report. Let us see the transformation. Go to the report view. Now it is it retained only the first letter. Now we would like to group this company name according to the first letter. Like for example, letter K, we need it to group group all these company name beginning with the letter K. How to we will do that? That's what I'm going to do now. Let's go to the design view again. Now once you are in the design view, go again to the group sort and total, and then in the group on customer company name, click the more, and then look for this function by entire value. Instead of by grouping the customer company name by entire value, click this arrow. We will group it by first character only. So from the by entire value, we will group now the company name by first character only. So choose it, and now by first character, and let us move to the report view. Now see, like for example letter K, it grew the 3 company name, King of Faisal, King Fahad, and King Abdulaziz now is in one group. Now we'll change the font of this. We'll make this bigger and in letter red. So go to the sign view again, select this, should be selected, go to the design font, make the size 14, make this bold, change the font color into red, dark red, and then go to the report view. So that's how we did the groupings, retaining the first letter, and we group it according to the first letter. Okay, so see you in the next lesson, and I will be discussing how to place the title, the date, time, and the page number. See you then. 9